Hey friends, what a day. This morning before work I wanted to cook something and eat it and share some with at least 3 other teachers. And halfway through it was boiling, and then it kind of stopped boiling. And then the 5 for the heat level turned into 3 dashes and beeped. And so I unplugged it and plugged it back in, turned it on. Then I turned it to 5 again, and I thought I'll try 2 to see if it runs intermittently, because it didn't seem to be making that buzzing sound. Went to 2, and then suddenly it turned to 1 by itself, and then the dashes came back, and then 3 things happened at the same time. There was a very loud pop sound that came out of the back, I guess, with a flash of light, and the lights dimmed for a second, and then silence. So my poor magnetic induction cooktop that I've been cooking with for 11 years finally bit the dust. So, time for a new one. Let's see how this can do. There we go. Let's take it out of the box and see what we get. Wow, this thing's heavy. Jesus. No hands. Wow, this looks nice. The bottom's metal. It's pretty heavy. Dodge out again. Alright, so there you have it. Ooh, it has a turning knob. My other one didn't have a turning knob. It only had those kind of electrostatic buttons like this. Not really buttons, just sensors, I guess. Let's give it a try. Oh, I got the thickness just right. I made this beef and broccoli, kind of like the paradoxical USA Chinese restaurants. Let's give it a try. Ow! I got the thickness just right. That's a win. That's really good. Thanks, new magnetic induction cooktop.